Okay, don't mind my microphone sounding like a robot. Don't mind why I'm sounding like a robot. I don't know, because I recorded a different game to see if my microphone sounded like a robot there. It doesn't. So I don't know. Ignore it. I'm sorry. I don't know if it's my headset or the game or OBS, but just in case, I will be getting a new headset. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we will be mastering up our fruits. Small boy will be doing sound.
Okay.
I will be using blizzard and lemon will be using leopard. So yeah.
I got mine from stock, so I can't really show it.
Yeah.
Now eat it before I make you.
Munch. Munch, 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 munch.
Nom nom nom.
Munch, munch, munch.
Munchy munch munch.
Okay, so now we all have moves.
I got this last
yeah.
night, but I didn't get any mastery.
So I will cut back when we start. Okay, so now we're at Port Town fighting our first boss, Mr.
Floating
Pebble.
everywhere. Mr. Pebble Man. Pebble. I missed him. Can
You
stop?
missed.
Combo potential. Okay, I missed that completely. Bad combo.
You missed so many times.
Close range, I'm guessing. I don't know. I've never
This
used
might
that
take a long time.
If we use other things, then no, it won't.
That's true. Oh, I forgot I had.
Mostly fruit. Let's use mostly fruit so we can get. I need to hit him, guys. I need to hit him. Leave him alone.
Let lemon hit him.
Finally. Yeah.
With his fruit.
Bro, with your fruit. Like,
I know, I have cooldowns, you know. Okay,
So
I got enough
pushes
damage,
away.
probably.
Oh, I accidentally stop, don't hit him, Let me hit him with my fruit. No, Liam, you want to last hit with your fruit.
Okay.
Or we'll not give you mastery.
Okay.
missed.
Okay, go.
I
I
missed
got last hit.
God.
All my fruit. I'll help. I want to get the last hit.
Okay, there we go.
I don't
We
think
are
I'm
done.
Oh,
I got flight.
I did. I went.
Oh,
What's the next boss? Isn't it?
Oh, did I get it? I got
got
moves.
whiteout?
Okay.
oh,
I got so many moves.
No.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, so
The mastery.
Synchronic Radiance, and then
117.
Oh my. I
I got-
went up to a mastery 118.
Alright.
Okay, what's the next boss?
Hydra.
Hydra. Okay, I'll cut back when we're at Hydra,
No, we don't
which
need to
shouldn't
cut
take
back.
long. Yeah, it's not gonna take long.
Yeah, it was chill.
It will just chill.
Yeah, I'll be here faster because we'll teleport at different times.
I'm here.
Same. I probably should have used my V3. Not gonna lie.
Okay. 3,
Okay.
2, 1, go.
Well, actually, the freaking spam goes actually crazy with this.
It just goes crazy. Bro, but I got
Well, I say never combo with this fruit. Only spam the fruit.
Okay, well, this guy, well... this is not abuse. This is...
This is 100% kid abuse. It's not human abuse.
Child abuse is still bad.
But it's fun though. Look at this dumb.
Okay.
Monetize for that.
We're cutting that out.
But this is all a joke. This is all a joke. YouTube, this is all a joke. Don't take it
I
seriously.
keep missing.
I keep getting knocked out of my tornado.
I can't hit abilities. Okay, there we go.
Okay.
Easy.
I guess Thermos bow. That's nice.
What's the next boss?
Great tree.
That's helpful.
Okay, we're gonna cut back when we get there.
Yeah.
I'll see you at Great Tree.
Go.
We're back.
Yep. That's take as long as we thought, but still long.
Definitely extra content we did not need.
Yes. We don't want this video to be too long.
Not like my first one.
Where it's 55 minutes.
That was kind of sad.
It's an introductory video.
I
Okay?
mean, most TV shows like that. Like, it's like 2 hours long. Like actual TV shows.
Just keep using your fruit. It should go really fast.
We each get our own certain.
Unless that ability can hit. You have to be like pretty close range for that ability. Not gonna lie.
Dude, I missed my giant UJ Wii move.
Also, I think I know why YouTubers use like human race. So there's not like as annoying wings in your avatar.
The camera does look cool though. But it's also putting stuff in your face.
Yeah.
The wing's cool though.
Okay, there we go. I get my next move, Howling Wind.
Honestly, leopard spam is just comboing. Okay, so
My next move
elephant.
is Domain
Next
Expansion.
is elephant. Let's go to elephant, guys.
Let's go.
We're not
But
gonna cut
only-
this out because it's not gonna take
Yeah.
that long.
But Longma, we won't cut this out, but someone named Smurl Boy can't go there. I went the wrong one.
Oh,
know.
yeah.
It
Yeah,
sucks.
He's not high
he'll
enough
just,
level.
while we do that, we'll just, he'll just go do different
And-
different enemies.
After this,
Like the
I kind of
fighters.
feel like we should sea beast hunt with our fruits.
And then after that, PvP.
And then PvP. Only using fruit.
Yes. I mean, I'm probably gonna win that because I can spam.
I've got Blizzard. I got a massive domain.
I mean, I haven't got my next ability yet, but I'm pretty close. But my next one's just a movement.
It does damage.
Oh. Well, I mean, I've never used leopard, so how would I know?
That's true.
I'm waiting for M1. I'm glad there's gonna be M1 on leopard.
Leopard looks pretty cool.
Yes,
We're
I like
bullying him in this corner.
I'm gonna
Use
do
your
this for
fruit.
fun.
Don't.
Okay.
Bully him in the corner.
Okay.
Just keep him in the corner.
I mean, you guys are getting more master than I am right now, because mine's a mythical. You guys are both the legendaries.
Mine's almost
Yeah.
done.
Mine's not.
This
Yours
boss
fully
rush
done?
was super good, profitable. Yeah, I've got, yeah.
Finally, I've got my flag.
I'm
let's go
stuck in
kill
there.
Longma, though. Wait, let's go kill Longma.
Dumb.
I
Dumb,
love you guys.
come on, dumb. Actually, thank you for the speed buff, little.
You're welcome.
That
That's
small boy.
the only thing I'm good at.
Give me some more boost, thank you.
Just, if you need boost, just come by the door. So I'll be
Okay.
just flying.
I need more speed. Probably like wasting so
This
much time here.
is...
That's fun
Much
though.
faster. Wait, there's...
And when I mean just fruit, no V3 abilities.
Guys, bring him close to the door. I want to see something.
You could probably hit him with your symphonic radiance.
No V4. No, remember you can't hit Longma at all unless you are level. Hey, where's the
Oh, yeah.
boost? I mean, I got in here before, but
We push him out.
I pushed him out, not you guys.
I can't touch him.
Yeah, he can't hit him. Yeah, you just give us boost. We boost. Thank you.
It also has damage resist. Oh, he's gonna respawn. No, he won't.
I didn't use that.
No, he won't. No, he won't.
I'll just get him back inside. Kinda. Okay, now he respawned.
I didn't get anything from that.
Me either.
I don't think it gives mastery a second time.
It's a raid
He
boss.
does give mastery. But neither of us did enough damage, so it can only.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go kill one person named Beautiful Pirate now.
I gotta take a
This is
different.
gonna be sad. This is gonna make me sad.
Yeah, I'll take a different way.
Oh, yeah. Okay, well, I'm gonna cut until everyone's at the domain.
Okay. I
didn't pause.
I cut.
There we go. We on cut.
Yep. This time I didn't end the video.
Okay.
Done.
This could be either like really good or really sad.
I'll probably do that so I can stun him.
Okay, well I'm gonna cut back when he's like half health. This is gonna take forever.
Same.
We're on second phase and I am scared.
Yep.
We are. So yeah.
I might.
I'll cut back when he's almost dead. Okay, we're back and he is almost dead.
I'm really struggling to hit moves.
Got that.
You've been hitting a lot of moves.
Well, okay, good thing I missed that God Human. I hope I did enough damage because I missed like 500.
I've missed a lot too.
I can't miss with the Symphonic Radiance.
And it does quite a bit.
Oh wow, that's a lot of damage.
Yeah, leopard.
Okay, I got it.
Alright. I need one more move.
I need
Wait, what's the next boss?
I'm pretty sure I know what it is. Follow me. I'm pretty
Oh,
sure
is
it's
it
that
elephant?
cake.
No, we already
I
killed
know we killed
elephant.
elephant. I'm pretty sure it's that cake. Big
Oh,
bomb.
we'll cut back when we're at Kate. To be honest.
Yeah, I
If
just
you
paused.
hear rumbling in the background, I think there's currently a thunderstorm. I'm not too sure. I'm gonna go check, but I'm not too sure that there's a thunderstorm. So yeah.
So the end of the battle, I forgot to record, so sorry about that.
Oh well.
Well, we'll cut back when we're at Beautiful
Okay.
Pirate. Okay, we're back at Big Mom, and there is a thunderstorm, 100%.
Okay, Queen.
Kate Queen,
Yep.
Big Mom, same thing.
I mean, I'm around him. I don't hear the thunderstorm. I think it's like small thunder, maybe. I don't know.
Or maybe your house walls are just thick.
Or you have
Or
no
I'm just deaf.
headphones.
Or you have no canceling headphones. I do not.
I mean, I do.
I do.
I mean, it is raining for me, so probably I am in it, but the lightning quarter is not like that close to me.
I'm having a struggling time to hit most of my moves.
Ah, come on, I gotta.
This is a small environment.
Not that bad struggle.
I mean, I've not done this, and it's fun. This is.
Why, Lemon, why do you keep not using non-fruit moves?
I don't know.
Just feel...
Because he's so used to.
Just be happy inside and not be depressed. I'm kidding. I don't know. Just for more damage, you know, since it's not dead yet.
Oh my god, I was shooting at Liam.
Kind of dumb.
I was shooting at Liam.
Well,
thinking
you're
he
kind of
was
dumb.
Big Mom.
This is also gonna be my first video because I forgot to record the actual first video. So. In the next few blox videos, be using leopard because this costed $5 million and I'm, as you can see, poor.
Very poor.
I'm not that
I got
poor.
58,000. I want to go back to CB something. We should like a video that's just full CB something or trying to Levi hunt.
We might not do the CBs hunting with our fruits because some fruits are worse at it.
Oh.
I got like no master from that. Now I'll see you at Tiki.
Tiki, there's no places there.
No, I'm saying for NPCs, my friend.
I'm gonna
I'll go
grind
do
you.
Okay, I'll do that. Let's go do that.
I'm gonna go do
I just-
something completely different.
Okay, you go do that. Me and Dumb are gonna be grinding here.
Yeah.
I want the cookie crafters. You get other people.
Look at the cocos.
Gonna get some
You're gonna get so much coke. 5,000.
Where
Oh,
is
well,
Urban?
that was way too easy.
This is, I feel bad.
Blizzard
My damage counter
domain.
go crazy. I mean, I only have 3rd gear, but
Domain expansion. The lag.
you already have
Domain.
it.
Domain expansion. Why was he not there when I
Domain
double checked?
expansion.
You're lagging so bad
Whiteouts.
right now.
Bro,
Bad
this may be
internet
a
upstairs.
Oh my gosh.
no.
I was just
Domain
I mean, you're upstairs. You
expansion.
don't have.
Bad internet.
Plus the thunder outside.
Domain expansion. Whiteouts.
Bad internet.
Well,
Whiteout.
I don't think I'm gonna time lapse. I think I'm gonna time lapse that a little bit because that was like way too easy. The second I got my V4, I just insta got it with one crowd and 2 enemies.
Now we're gonna cut till when I'm done.
Yeah.
Cut now.
Well,
I'm a.
so yeah, I'm just gonna cut. Okay, I'm done taking the thumbnail, and now we're going to battle. Only using
Yeah.
fruits, no race abilities,
Yeah. Also, put all your stuff in your inventory.
and no V4.
Yes. We're gonna go fight a castle though.
Do you
Why?
not wanna
Mansion's
take bounty?
good.
Castle's
Do you not want to take
better.
bounty?
Me and Dom already took bounty.
And plus, bounty's bounty. Although I'm really close to 3 mil again.
I mean, I don't really care if I lose bounty or not, because I'm at 2.4 and I can't lose any past that for some reason. Kind of weird. I sort of hear,
My ally button's broken.
oh boy,
Blox Roots is being really buggy.
we'll unally you.
You joined Marines, and Marines doesn't
Okay.
have ally button.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go! Domain expansion.
Ow, ow. Domain expansion hurts.
I don't like you. Get away from me.
You said no race abilities, didn't
Oh
you?
yeah, my bad. Oops.
Punishment on.
Yeah, punishment.
Punishment, punishment, punishment.
Okay, well my punishment's gonna be included.
No.
Don't press C! Come fight
No,
me!
leopard's just spammy. No, leopard's that spammy, bro. I hate leopard. Okay, go, go, go. Launch it, launch it, launch it, launch it. Oh shoot, I missed, I missed.
I'm transformed. I thought leopard had a
Nope, yep. Should get my tempo meter up. Why am I not getting my temp? Get out, get
I
out,
almost
get out.
killed Lamb. Or Lemon.
Siri. Yeah, whatever.
Now I need to watch this fight
Hey, no.
between Bot and Lemon.
Yeah,
At least
so small boy's new name is Bots.
Okay,
I-
losers
I-
competition, and then
The loser fights winner.
loser or winner of this losers competition fights winner. Liam or Bot unally me, because my ally button broke.
Because you joined. Oh, my bad. I uninvited Liam.
Lemon.
Oh, my bad. Lemon. My bad.
Okay,
My bad.
3, 2, wait. 3,
Out of the way.
now. I keep forgetting no race abilities.
You're
Okay.
fine. You didn't hit anything.
Yes, I did.
You didn't hit me that right much.
It only does like 418 damage. Also sounds OP.
It sounds OP. I'm
So
just
is Blizzard.
staying in the right hands.
Blizzard Z is kind of crazy though. He's going somewhere.
I'm gonna go start a life.
I think he's getting a family. I mean, I don't think he can ever get a family. He's that sad in life.
No,
I like bullying little
why did-
kids.
Why did? Why did that not work?
I like bullying people.
Bot,
Honestly,
you're
just kill
looking a
him.
little bit low. I'm trying,
Can you,
buddy.
I'm not low.
can you just stop making a family, my friend?
Trying to get my tempo
Or
meter
being
up.
alone.
I'm trying to get my tempo meter up.
Dee, 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 dee.
Stop
Just
my HP.
Just kill him.
Stop.
Not
I'm
me.
trying, but he's running.
He's your main.
It's not off cooldown.
Oh, that's sad.
Stop running.
I don't
Stop running.
Bro,
He wasn't
you
running,
gotta
bro.
get a tempo meter. It's the whole problem. You gotta get a
He
tempo
was
meter.
running. Okay, Mason or Bot v Lemon.
Easy.
Yeah.
The
I'm gonna
Luffy
get-
leopard. This is what happened if Lucy combined.
Well, they're
I'm
fighting.
Jover Lemon.
Not Lu-
Lemon, I'm Jover. I'm Jover Lemon. I'm Jover Lemon.
Let's
Okay, go.
Skirt. No. Nope. Yep. See. I'm Jover.
I can't see
Jover.
stuff.
Can't see. Blinded. Yep. GG Lemon. GG.
Well, they're fighting. I hope you enjoyed today's video.
Yep.
I will be doing this next.
I'm probably gonna post this video. This is forgot to record so many parts.
I will do the next time I will be mastering up a fruit like this is when Dragon reworked.
I might try.
I will.
I might.
There,
I
I'm
maybe
close.
have
Well-
at that time.
Hope you enjoyed today's video. It was really fun. I enjoyed it. So did everyone. Now he's dead. Okay. So, oh, almost died.
I knew I was gonna.
I'm gonna keep with Blizzard. I kind of like it. I think I could combo with it. Anyways, so
Yeah, I got you half.
Anyways.
I got you half.
Can you name a VP on Ivy 4?
goodbye.